The ModeSens Influencer Link Builder is a way for you to create affiliate links through different URLs on our site and from our partner sites. One of the ways that you can create links through items that are maybe not filtered directly on ModeSens from our partners is through our Influencer Link Builder. This is how you can earn commissions through purchases of your own or through purchases from different users. Today I'm going to use an example from my Teresa to just show you how simple it is to take those URLs and turn them into trackable UTM affiliate links. This example today is going to be with the Moon Boot. We're on the My Teresa website, and you can see right here, this is the My Teresa URL. What we're going to do is we're just going to copy that URL. We're going to go over to our link builder either on your desktop or it is on your mobile app as well. All you need to do is just paste it into that. And we're going to create a reward link, and then we are going to copy it. Now that we've created a reward link, you'll be able to see that this is trackable from ModeSens. So if you are to then purchase yourself or for a client or share this link on your social media for users, this will then be commissionable for you as a ModeSens influencer commissioned purchase. All we're going to do is just going to go back and we're just going to paste it into our URL. And when you see this little picture, that means that it is then searched through ModeSens. This is a now affiliate UTM link. You can see right here, there's a little affiliate. If you scroll down to your URL, if you ever want to check, you can tell that this is an affiliate link as well. If you do not ever see this affiliate UTM, that does mean that you have not correctly pasted it into the link builder. And then once you have this done, you can then start your whole shopping experience, and the whole shopping experience will then be UTM tracked. So that means that you would get commission. So let's just say that you wanted to put this into your bag. You can add this into your shopping bag. We're going to put this right here just to add something. And then if you wanted to view your shopping bag and you were ready to check out, once you did proceed to check out, just know that, again, this will be tracked through ModeSens. The only way it would not be tracked through ModeSens is if you used another third-party cashback service like Rakuten, Capital One, or maybe Honey to get a different type of point before you check out. So again, please keep that in mind. Know that you can download our browser extension as well that you can see some extra codes to get you a bigger discount. And then once you place your order, whatever you put into those partner stores after you do that affiliate linking, if there's ever a problem after you receive your order and you do not see it in your earnings, just make sure that you know you have the ability to go to your closet, and you can always put in a order inquiry. Under your credit, you'll be able to see that you have available ModeSens credit if you have made any credit, and you can also cash it out. But if you ever see one of your orders not in here, just go to your order inquiry, submit an order inquiry ticket, and we will 100% be able to help you. But again, it is very simple. If you do not see an item on ModeSens or you just like shopping directly on our partner sites, all you need to do again before you start your purchasing is go take that UTM link and then start shopping.